Hello everyone, you're welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In previous video we learned for loop. In today video we are going to learn while loop. While loop in Java. Java while loop. So what is Java while loop and when we should use while loop? The Java while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times, which also do in for loop, but if the number of iteration is not fixed, if number of iteration is not fixed, at this time we choose while loop. In for loop, uh, uh, we define a condition like I less than equal to less than equal to 10. It means we want to iterate or we want to execute a set of code in at 10 times, but if we don't know how many times we have to execute our block code of block, then we should use while loop. So it is recommended to while loop if the number of iteration is not fixed. And the syntax for the while loop is while keyword, then the condition and set of statements that you have to be execute multiple times. This is the flow chart for the while loop. First it check the condition. If condition is true, execute the statements. Then again check the condition. If condition is true, again execute the statement. Again check the condition. If the condition is true, execute the statement. If the condition is false, comes out from the while loop. So let's discuss on some example of while loop. So here we are creating a class while example. We are creating a class while example. Public static void main method. We are printing int I equal to 1. So we are initializing the variable I with 1. Here we are checking I less than equal to 10, then print I, and here we are increasing the value of I with 1. So as much as until the condition is false, until the condition is false, it will print the value of I. So the output is 1 to 10. 1 to 10. First it will check int I equal to 1. So value of I is 1. 1 less than equal to 10. Condition is true. It will print the value of I. Again it will increase the value of I. Now value of I is become 2. Check the condition. 2 less than equal to 10. Condition true. Print the value of I, which is 2. Then increment the value of I. Now value of I is 3. It will check the condition. 3 less than equal to 10. Condition is true. Print the value 3 and so on. After the printing 10, I plus plus increase the value of I. Now the value of I is 11. 11 less than equal to 10. Condition is false. As condition is false, control comes out from the while loop. So control comes here. If you write any statement after the while loop, that will be executed. Okay, so let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. Here we are going to create a new class. So just right click on project, new class, while example, finish, shift and delete. Int I equal to 0, while check the condition I less than equal to 10. okay, sorry, I equal to 1, because we are going to print 1 to 10. Then print syso control space bar, then enter. Print the value of I and increment the value of I plus plus. Okay, and after the while loop we are just printing one statement. After while loop execution complete. Control S. So this is our while loop example, and as you run this program you can see the output. Value is printed from 1 to 10, 1 2 3 to 10, and after the while loop complete, our statement after while loop execution complete is printed. Now Java infinite while loop. Java infinite while loop. If you pass true in the while loop, it will be infinite while loop. In a previous example, we are checking the condition in the while loop, but if we define a true, then it will become a infinite while loop. Syntax is while condition is true, condition we are not defining any condition, we are just passing true. So this code will be executed for infinite time. Let's see an example. While true we are defining, and we create a class while example2, create a main method as well, while pass the true and print something. Whatever you print, it will execute multiple times or infinite time. So the output of this program is infinite time, infinite while loop. You need to press Ctrl C to exit the program, or you can press the red button from the Eclipse. So let's say show you. Create a new class while loop example 2. Finish. Shift and while true syso infinite while loop. Okay, now execute this program. You can see it is printing infinite while loop infinity times. If you want to break this, you just press this red button, it will terminate the execution of while loop. So friends, this is all about the while loop. It is a very simple loop. So thank you for watching this video lecture, and in next video lecture we will discuss about the do while loop. So thank you for watching this video, and watch my next video for learning new things in Java.